Yay, peeps. How you all doing out there on that what? Worldwide wobble. Yes, it's been a little while. How have you all been? Good. I hope so. So we're here in the fullness of this new moon in Gemini. Solar eclipse happening at 19 degrees. The moon has literally just kissed the sun. The sun has kissed the moon. And they've had a little bit of a chit-chat conversation, cutting off old things that we no longer require, old thought patterns. Gemini rules our thoughts. It's the planet that rules our hands and our lungs. It's very movable and mutable. And the mutable signs are Gemini, Pisces, Virgo, and Sagittarius. So everybody with mutability or any mutable planets will be feeling this quite strongly. And what will they be feeling? They'll be feeling a change of mind, a change of heart, as we also have Mars in Cancer. We'll be jumping out of Cancer pretty soon and jumping into Leo tomorrow on the 11th of June 2021. So how's it been? Good? So we have this new moon, I'd say, over a 3-day period, which is the 10th, 11th and the 12th of June, wherever you are on the planet. Yes. So things will be eclipsed out of your life. It will feel like you're in a very strange, mutable time and place. You'll be feeling this for a little while, actually, as we have a lot of mutable planets around right now. Also with the sun and moon is a Mercury, who is the ruler of the sign of Gemini and Virgo. So the ruler of this eclipse likes communication. Mercury is known as the communication, the ruler of communication within our houses. Also rules the third house, to see if you have any planets there. So see any planets at 19 degrees of the mutable signs. So the 19 is the beginning and the ending, right? Because we have the 1 where we think about ourselves, and the 9 when we're wrapping things up, thinking about others and other directions that we can go into, other philosophies that we can look at. So we also have the North Node in Gemini with the Sun, the Moon and Mercury. And the North Node is like a destiny point, a destiny situation that we can be shown the way towards. So like certain things will come up like, oh, I wanted to do that. And something will appear and you'll say, oh, wow, that was, so it's a very mutable time. It's a time where things can change easily. It's a time when the planets are there aiding us to change also. So this gives us a bit more oomph to our mutability. Okay, peeps, so have a fantastic time and have some new thoughts coming in. Anything that you can hear yourself repeating which is not helping you, make a mental note of it, as you will be doing. Be doing a lot of thinking at this time with this Gemini season. It would be good to also leave little notes around your house. I have them myself, saying I am a champion. Things are always well, and even when we're in dire straits, we can. There's always a way forward. There's always tomorrow. There's always the next day. It's not promised to us, but if we have the idea of moving forward and keeping mutable and keeping flexible, not so stiff, so we snap. We have to be we have to give ourselves time to change our minds. I know that we can change our minds, and this is what life is about. What we might have believed 10 years ago, we might not think like that anymore. We might not have that idea again. We might have new information, so we've changed our mind completely. And this can be seen sometimes as confusing. We also have Pisces in Jupiter. Pisces is one of the mutable planets, and this is expanding. Jupiter expands everything it touches. So this is expanding our spirituality, our creativity, our dreaminess, and we're looking to merge with others in that way. So there's a lot of change that can happen right now. A lot of mutability, a chance for us to be so-called different people. As we know, Gemini is the sign of the twins, and so we can see that we have multi-personalities, and this is something that all humans have. It's just whether we are allowed to express them, and if we express them in a safe way or a non-harmful way to ourselves and others. Okay, my sweeties, so you'll be flexible out there. Keep it moving, keep it grooving, and have a fantastic time of this solar eclipse where you can renew your thought patterns, renew your communications, renew what you do with your hands and your fingers. Do some breath exercises, keep them lungs open. Okay, peeps? And I'll speak to you pretty soon. You take care. Thank you. I had many thanks for my Aries friend, my Leo friend, my Cancer friend. Thank you for coming and aiding at this time. And also my beautiful children always. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your presence.